This store generates 1000 plus by installing this app I'm about to review to you in this video. The first app is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is one of the most powerful email marketing apps for Shopify. With this app, you can send abandoned cart emails, welcome emails, promotional emails automatically. The benefit of Klaviyo is that it helps you recover lost customers and turn visitors into buyers. Many Shopify stores make 30 to 40% of their sales from email marketing alone. So this app helps you to make more money even when you are sleeping. App number 2 is this has. This has help you manage and import products easily into your Shopify store. The benefits of this app is that it saves time and help you process orders faster. You can import products, fulfill orders, and manage suppliers in one place. This app make your store run smoothly and help you focus on marketing and sales. The third app is Judge.me. Judge.me helps you collect customers' reviews and display them on your store. The benefit of this app is that it builds trust and increase conversion. When customers see reviews, rating, they are more likely to buy from you, to buy your products. This simple app can increase your sales immediately. The fourth app is Privy. Privy help you collect emails and offer discounts to visitors, such as just like Klaviyo as well. The benefit of is that it turns visitors into subscribers and customers. You can show pop-up like discount offers, email sign up, and special promotion. This help you grow your email list and increase sales. The fifth app is Pagefly. Pagefly help you design professional product pages and landing page. The benefit is that a professional design increase trust and conversion. You can create high converting page without coding. Better design means more customers and more sales. The sixth app is Shopify Inbox. This app allows you to chat with customers in real time. The benefit is that you can answer customers' questions quickly and close sales faster. When customer gets instant reply, they trust your store more and buy faster. The seventh app is Lowe's. Lowe's helps you display photo reviews from customers. The benefit is that photo reviews increase trust and credibility. When people see real customers using your products, they feel confident to buy. This increase conversion and sales. The eighth app is called Plug in SEO. These apps help your Shopify store rank on Google. The benefit is that you can get free organic traffic and free customers. SEO brings long time sales without running ads. So these apps help your store grow naturally. The ninth app is Upsell and Cross-sell. These apps help you recommend products to customers. The benefit is that customers buy more items in one order. For example, if someone buys a clothes, the app suggests another product like sauce or any other product accessories you have in your store. This increases your average order value and total sales. This last one is the most important you need to install to your Shopify store. If you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. This one is the Reconvert, help you upsell customers after checkout. The benefit is that customers buy again immediately after placing an order. This increases revenue without spending more money on us. It is one of the best apps for increasing profits. These are the 10 Shopify apps that can bring sales to your store. If you install and use this app correctly, your Shopify store will become more professional and profitable. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification. I'll be dropping more Shopify and digital marketing content to help you grow your online business. See you in the next video.